channel. Today's Wednesday, which means it's a Walt Disney Wednesday, and it's actually a takeover day.
Hi guys, it's me again. I'm so excited that Auntie Tay has invited me back for yet another Walt Disney Wednesday, and like always, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a super awesome, super affordable, super fantabulous DIY. If you guys don't know who Auntie Tay is, make sure you take this time to hit subscribe. You will not regret it because she rocks YouTube. And if you don't know me by now, you will never know me. You can totally get to know me. Like I said on Clueless Mummy, and I have my own very small YouTube channel that you are welcome to visit after this channel. I would love to see you over there. I'm going to be making today on this channel these awesome Walt Disney bath bombs. Sometimes if you're a mom like me, you got 2 kids, you need to hide in the bathroom and you need to soak in the tub and make sure that the toddler, the dog, the teen, and even the husband are not going to be interrupting or scratching at that door. So you can make these DIY bath bombs super easily, and if you want to be nice and generous, you can also make them for your kids Walt Disney style by picking up the really cute little figurines that are available at Dollar Tree. So make sure you keep watching, and I'll see you at the end of this.
So everything can be bought at the Dollar Tree for this DIY except for citric acid. I got it at Palm, but you can pick it up at Walmart for cheap. You should also have a jumbo bath bomb mold, or at least one of those Christmas ornaments, the clear ones that you can fill stuff in. I didn't. Mine was too small, so you can see Minnie barely fits. There's going to be a little bit of a complication in this, but never mind that. It's all going to come together. So first I put in 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of citric acid, and half a cup of Epsom salt. Don't have essential oils? That's okay, because Dollar Tree also has scented Epsom salt. Keep mixing till you get a sand-like texture. That's when it's done. In a separate bowl, I put my wet ingredients, so my coconut oil, my little bit of water, essential oils, and my food coloring. And then you're just gonna mix that as well. It's oil and water, so it's not gonna stay together too good. I put it in this little spray bottle so that I can distribute it slowly into the dry ingredients. You wanna do that bit by bit so that you don't activate any of the ingredients ahead of time. And you're just gonna keep doing that until you get sort of a wet sand mixture. Once I did that, I filled half of my mold just by pressing it down. And I filled it all the way to the top, and then I simply pressed Minnie inside. Well, as much as I could get her in there with her bow, but there she is. And literally, you just stuff the other side of the mold and put it on top. I'm jumping to the first half of Ursula. I put some sparkle underneath her. I also saw in another video, really cool, someone put some rosemary there to make it look like seaweed, and it looked awesome. But that's how she looks. You take the other end of the mold and just mush it together, and then you're going to set it overnight. So the next day, I just took a spoon on each side of the mold and tapped it lightly and gently lifted it up. Voila! So the jumbo one in the middle is the size that you want. That one's from Lush, and that size will be easier for doing this DIY. But let's see how it works. So Minnie's going in there, and her ears popped out a bit, but there you go. Look at the bubbles, guys. It was so pretty and it smelled so nice. I loved it. Funny story, my dear toddler took the Ursula bomb and dropped it on the floor before I did this part, so it was a little bit cracked. That's him there too. But look at Ursula go, guys. For whatever reason, her bubbles went a long time, but look at the color. What kids wouldn't love these guys?
Alright, was that fun or what? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'd love to mingle with you in the comments. Have you ever made a bath bomb before? Have you ever seen this kind of thing before? Let me know, and feel free to visit me over at Clueless Mummy on my channel. It's kind of weird talking in third person. I'll see you guys on the next video too. Who just got up from a nap? Do you want to say hi to Auntie Tay's subscribers? Look at that bed head. Can you say hi?
Hi.